So, yesterday we got back from Valle de Guadalupe. Today we're doing another 24-hour road trip up to Los Angeles. So we're getting packed up and ready to go. You ready to go, Aiden? Sit down in your chair. Siéntate. Aquí. Sit down. You can't drive. You can't drive up there.
You really don't have to worry about cooking it all the way. You can have it like medium rare or rare if you like. But me myself, I like my meat kind of red, so I don't really do it all the way.
Yeah.
Cook it up, dip it in any sauce, eat it over the rice, okay? So by then you're gonna have a broccoli ready to go with it, a bok choy, whatever you want to go along with it, okay? Just be careful, you throw like one piece at a time. If you start throwing 3 or 4, it's gonna get lost in there and it's gonna fall apart, you're not gonna find it, okay?
So we just completed our first stop. We stopped at his cousin's restaurant in Newport.
Did you get video of our meal?
Yeah. It was good, no?
Awesome.
Very good, very good.
Nigori. ¿Qué tomamos? Nigori.
No,
Excellent.
Nigori Saki.
Nigori sake.
And they had too much sake. They had a lot to drink. So here we are at the Santa Monica Pier. It's almost 5 o'clock and we are officially at our first stop of the day, minus the lunch. Scared?
Yeah,
Scared?
scared.
You don't want to go in the water?
No,
No?
no, only.
Too much water for Aiden. Boom, boom.
Let's
So
go.
here we are, Santa Monica Pier. The world famous Santa Monica Pier.
Whoa.
Whoa! What do you think, Aiden? You like it? You like the pier?
No.
No? You cold? Are you cold? Muy frío.
Very frío.
Muy, muy frío.
More shots, man. You got this. Take your time.
Shoot!
Come on, man. Make one shot. You got this. Oh. Nice try. Would you like to try again? Or?
Nah, it's
You want to
okay.
get my pride? No.
So, it's day 2 in Los Angeles. We just woke up, we just had breakfast. We're fresh, ready to go. We are gonna head towards Hollywood and do some exploration. We stayed at a decent hotel last night. It was more like a motel, but it was very clean. Here we are. As you can see, the Hollywood sign behind us. What do you think, Aiden? You like it? ¿Te gusta? Sí. Tired boy. Whoa, doing some
Going on a marathon.
doing some big work over there, huh? Where are we at? Erica's favorite spot.
One of her favorite spots. I don't think it's the best. I mean, you have like 20,000 favorites.
Yeah, I know. Everything is Erica's favorite spot.
I like food. What can I say?
I know. Aiden just woke up. So, remember we went to San Francisco a few months ago for 24 hours? And when we were there, we ate at Stinking Rose. So, there's also Stinking Rose in Los Angeles, and it's one of Erica's favorite restaurants. So, we just finished eating here at the Stinking Rose, and now our trip to Los Angeles is just about over. We're gonna head back to San Diego. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to check out future videos, and don't forget the thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs
No.
up.
No?
Ah.
Thumbs up.